Imagine turning a pile of dead batteries into fully charged power sources, all in minutes. Sounds unbelievable, right? That's what Easy Battery Fix TM by Daniel Hayes promises. This method has shocked thousands who thought their batteries were beyond hope. Are you tired of wasting money on replacements? This might be the solution you've been looking for. Ready to learn how to bring your batteries back to life in minutes? Discover the hidden power of Easy Battery Fix TM today. So what is Easy Battery Fix TM? It's a revolutionary program that teaches you to revive old and dead batteries using simple tools. Whether it's car batteries, laptop batteries, or rechargeable household ones, this method can restore their performance without costly replacements. Daniel Hayes, an independent energy researcher, created Easy Battery Fix TM to help people save money. His journey began as a personal experiment, evolving into a proven system shared worldwide. This program is perfect for anyone who uses gadgets daily or has a household full of battery-powered devices. If you're a DIY enthusiast or simply tired of constantly buying new batteries, Easy Battery Fix TM is for you. Here are the benefits. You can revive almost any type of battery, save hundreds yearly, and it's quick and simple to follow. It's also eco-friendly, reducing waste, and requires no technical skills. While it saves you money, it's important to note that it's a digital program. You'll need basic household tools, but rest assured, it's easy to get started. Pricing? Easy Battery Fix TM is available at an affordable one-time price through ClickBank. Plus, it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, providing peace of mind to try it risk-free. In conclusion, Easy Battery Fix TM isn't just another guide. It's a power revolution for anyone ready to stop wasting money. Join thousands who've discovered this solution. Are you ready to revive your dead batteries? Click link in the description below to discover Daniel Hayes' Easy Battery Fix TM and start saving today. Don't wait. Power up your home the smart way.